Alright everybody, I am back. Today is the day that we put everything back together with the ARESGAME power supply, 550 watts. I'm happy to be doing that there. Y'all see what I'm messing with here. I did a clean video of it. I'll be putting all the parts in the description below. There will be no affiliate links because these are old parts. So, and I built this rig based upon my expectations of what games I'll basically be playing with, which is puzzle games, RPG, and a little bit of today's game like Civilization 6, etc. that don't require a heavy GPU. That's my RX552 gigabyte GPU. Works perfectly, and you can go ahead and play Civilization in basically medium to low settings because it don't require that much off the GPU anyway. Well, I need a massive hungry system that go ahead and play those modern today's games in 2020, 2021, and 2022. So, enough talking. I'm excited. Let's do this. Alright everybody, as you see, she's done. She looks nice and clean. I still got a little bit more work to do. There's nothing wrong with that, but as you see, I'm just gonna go ahead and take the angle of it down. Look at that there. AGW550 looking so sweet, so clean up in there. Yes, I love it. Just like I said, I'm gonna be doing the wire run or the wire management in the back. I'm gonna go ahead and do that off camera because I got to open up everything. I got my grandson locked up in the room. My little 3-year-old likes to move around, so I can't go ahead and keep him in the room too long and he get bored and he gonna get agitated. So, but other than that, she came out great, looking nice, looking clean. It's a simple basic build for my basic gaming. I'm not an extreme gamer, so you can't basically buy the main ingredient for extreme gaming anyway. So You need the 8 GB plus GPUs, and they're very expensive now. So that's the retail market they're going at for now. So other than that, she looks nice. She looks clean. No more ketchup and mustard cables, which I don't have an issue with it. But just like I said, the power supply that was in there, the Seasonic 600-watt power supply, which was used, I got it for $39.99. I should got it for $35 or $30, but as I explained in the video earlier, that she was giving me issues, constantly restarting, shutting down, restarting. One of my hard drives, mechanicals was zipping for no reason. And that could have caused damage to my hard drives, but which it did, because I lost my SSD by Team Group GX2 512 GB, which they was honored to give me an RMA, so I'm waiting on that to come in, and I had to decide to reset the whole entire system with Windows 10 again. So that's my decision I had to make. But right now, everything is holding down sweet. Got all the hard drives in. Now I just got to go ahead and do the cable management. I'm going to do that off camera. So I want to thank y'all for watching this great we put back together with the AGW550 GB. And if you like this video, go ahead and give me the thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.